Today we are going to construct a trapezium. What's a trapezium? Trapezium means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That's a trapezium. Then here there are three types of trapeziums. Isosceles trapezium. Two sides are equal in this trapezium. One pair of, that is normal in a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and two sides are equal. We call this as isosceles trapezium. Scalene, in a scalene trapezium, all the sides are unequal, but opposite sides are parallel. Right angles trapezium, there are two right angles and opposite sides are parallel. Now we are going to draw a trapezium. That's very easy. We know how to draw parallel lines. We know how to draw angles. Here given the angles. We can find the angles here also. No need to find. That is a very easy way. First step is we are going to draw TR. We can take, haven't given the value, we can take as 10 centimeters, that is TR, that is 10 centimeters. This angle is 60. In earlier lesson we did, we can draw imaginary lines here. Can you remember? We did this. If we extend this skew, this angle equals to this angle, that is 60 degrees. If this is a straight angle, then we can find the angle of here. That means in a straight angle, that is 180 degrees, deduct 60 degrees, it gives 120 degrees here. In here also, when we proceed this skew angle, this 30 degrees, then this is also 30 degrees. This is straight angle. We have to deduct 30 from 180, that gives 150 here. This all together added up to 360. Okay, then we are going to construct the angle here. Keep the compass on T. And we have to draw an angle of 60 on T and draw the arc from here. This is 60. Then we can join these two from T to this bisect here. And this side we have to take 30. How are we going to measure angle 30? From here, this is 60. We can draw imaginary line on this, that is 60. We did this earlier. Then we need 30. We need the bisect of this angle, that is 30. This is 30 degrees. That is 30. Okay. Then we have to draw a parallel line. Take the ruler to parallel. We can draw an imaginary line here, from here to here. We can draw an imaginary line from here to here. Okay. Then on this imaginary line we can set the ruler. We can set the ruler here. Keep the set square on the ruler like this. Now we can draw the parallel line to TR. Okay. Then it comes here. This is the parallel line to here. Then we construct the trapezium SQRT. This corner is 60 degrees, this corner is 30 degrees. This is we got as 9 centimeters. If we need, we can use the protractor and check the corner. Here, that is 60. From here, keep the protractor on this line and it gives 30. This is the trapezium.